In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use alerts and notifications in QuickBooks Time, step by step, using the browser version. Alerts and notifications help you keep your team informed and your time tracking accurate. Whether you want reminders about time entry activity or notices about system updates, setting these up correctly ensures the right people get the right information at the right time. Let's walk through the process from start to finish in the browser. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your QuickBooks Time account. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to change company settings, since notifications affect how your entire organization receives updates. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see the main navigation. Click Company Settings to access the controls for your organization. Inside Company Settings, find and select Notifications. This is the central place where you can view and fine-tune the alerts available in QuickBooks Time. Take a moment to review the options you see here. You'll typically find settings related to time tracking activity, such as entries being created, edited, or approved, as well as broader system alerts like important product or account updates. The goal is to understand what's available so you can match these notifications to your team's workflows. Next, decide which notifications should be turned on or off based on your company's needs. If an alert doesn't help anyone take action, consider disabling it to reduce noise. On the other hand, keep essential alerts enabled so nothing critical gets missed. Think about how often your team needs to be prompted and what could cause distractions if overused. Striking the right balance helps prevent alert fatigue while maintaining visibility. After that, adjust the specific notification preferences for events, like time entry activity or system updates. Depending on your plan and settings, you may be able to control the delivery method and timing, and refine which activities trigger an alert. Focus on aligning each notification with an outcome, like ensuring time entries are reviewed promptly or being aware of changes that might impact reporting. When you're satisfied with your configuration, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and confirm that your updates are recorded. You should now be set with a notification setup that supports accountability and keeps your team informed without overwhelming them. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.